What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Litecoin, guys. It just started to have a massive breakout. I had posted it in the Discord. Where are we? Litecoin right here. Litecoin with volume just as it started to break out, and it's absolutely exploded. If you want to sign up to the Discord, you can sign up to the Patreon. Price of a coffee over 1,000 members. We're at 207, guys. We're up 10.5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 14.21 billion, 24-hour volume 2.91 billion for Litecoin. Let's hop straight into it, guys. Here we are on the 4-hour time frame. You can see how much we've exploded since my post here on the Discord. It was just breaking the neckline, and now it's absolutely popped here for a juicy gain of, wow, already about 9%, 10% for Litecoin. Now this is a pretty big pattern, guys, that could take us all the way up to 243. And from the neckline, that's another juicy gain of 26%. I'm in a different crib today. I think the walls are thin, so the neighbors are probably like, what the hell is this guy on? But people always think I'm on something anyway. So there's a much larger pattern at play, guys, on the daily, and it's an inverse head and shoulders, guys. Massive reversal pattern. I've been covering these massive reversal patterns for like at least a month on the daily time frame, and nobody believed me, but they do now. So you have your left shoulder, you have your head, you have your right shoulder, or it could be like a cup and handle pattern. So if you see this come up and break this neckline, lines up with this target about 243 here, your target is all the way up at 350 for Litecoin from this pattern. And we do have some future price targets here based off the Fibonacci. You can drop it in. The 1.272 is up at about 603. Hope you're well, guys. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're enjoying this incredible breakout as much as I am. We're in for some juicy gains over the next couple of months, guys. We're gonna get a little bit wealthy. So we have the 1.272 at 603, the 1.618 at 974. So Litecoin will most likely reach $1,000 in my opinion, which is a juicy gain of almost 400% for Litecoin. All right, guys, exciting times in the market. I guess I should drop in some levels of support here. We are trending into overbought. You will see coins stay in overbought for quite some time when the bull run is in full swing, guys. So if we break through the 0.5, which is coming in here, give it a little price target at about 207, then we can back test it as support and see that continuation. And then we also have our neckline for Litecoin here at 192, but do keep an eye on this much larger pattern here, which can take Litecoin all the way up to 350. I'm in like 6 or 7 long trades right now, making some juicy profits. So very exciting times, guys. Check out crypto.com before we end the video here. The world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto. Free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, Expedia. They also have incredible interest on staking your coins. My favorite app for investing. You can sign up, get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. That's it for this one. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.